In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the headlight bulbs on your 2011 to 2016 Hyundai Elantra. It's very easy and it's only going to take us about 5 to 10 minutes. So you're going to need three basic tools. That's the Phillips screwdriver, a 10mm wrench and a 12mm wrench. Open the driver's side door. Release the primary hood release lever. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem there, put one finger in there and lift it up. That's the secondary hood release lever. Now, you see that's the prop rod that will support the hood in place in front of the engine. Grab it, pull it out, and put it in over there in that slot with the arrow marking it. Now we need to take out 1, 2, and 3 bolts using the wrench, 1, 2, and 3 clips using the screwdriver. So first let's take off the clips. You can use your finger to support the clips as you're taking it out. Okay, then just use the wrench, take off the 3 bolts there. 2 of them are the 10mm and the last one there's a 12mm. Now let's take off the electrical connector. So just press it down with your thumb like that and pull it out. See, just press it down with your thumb like that and then just pull it right out. Now this is where the tricky part is, right? It's not hard, it's just tricky. So we need to slide the headlight out first and then it pops out. Okay, usually I just fast forward this part, but for this video I'm just gonna let it play in real time so you can see how it takes me about a minute or two to actually get the headlight out. Okay, once the headlight is out, I'm going to show you why we need to slide it out first before we get the headlight out. And as you're trying to get the headlight out, you will need to get some support from the bumper. You need to pull the bumper off a little bit and then wiggle the headlight out, then pull the bumper again. So just see how I'm doing it. And again, like I said, it's not hard, it's just a little bit tricky. That's it. Now the headlight's out. So there's 2 clips. So that's 1 clip over there and the second one's on the other side. Those clips, they go into the slots over there. That's 1 and the 2, second slot there. So we had to slide it out of those slots and then we were able to get the headlight out. Now that's 1, that's the high beam bulb. 2, that's the low beam bulb. 3, that's the turn signal bulb. And 4, that's the nighttime bulb, just a city light. So 4 bulbs there. Today we're just going to focus on the low beam and the high beam headlight bulbs. So first let's tackle the high beam bulb. So that's a dust cover over there. So grab it, twist it left like that, and it should just come right out. Now you gotta undo that metal clip over there like that, and then the bulb holder with the high beam bulb is just gonna come right out. When you're pulling the bulb out of there, make sure you don't hit anything. Now the bulb is out. Let's grab the metal base over there and the black electrical connector and just pull the bulb right out like that. Okay. Make sure you don't touch the bulb surface actually. You don't want to do it because that's going to damage the bulb. Just touch the metal base. Alright, so now let's go get the new bulb. Align the bulb with that flat bottom part of it such as that and just push it right into the electrical connector. That's done. Now let's put the bulb holder back in its place. Again, be careful. Once that's done, let's put that metal clip back on. And let's not forget to put the dust cover back on too. Make sure it sits flush and then twist it right. Okay, now let's get to the low beam one. So that's the dust cover for the low beam bulb. Grab it and twist it left. Dust cover comes right out. Press down on the electrical connector there and then wiggle it out as such. Okay, so that's out now. Now grab the bulb and then twist it left. Now the bulb should just come right out. Get the new replacement bulb. Put it in at an angle as I'm doing over here in the video. Just like that. Once the bulb is in, grab it and then just twist it right. Now let's put the electrical connector back in its place. Let's put the dust cover back on. Make sure it sits flush and then twist it right. Just like that. Now we're going to put it back. Those are two slots over there to watch out for. Alright, again, there's a little bit of a tricky part because we need to make sure that the clips that's on the headlight align and actually slide under the slots. So let's just zoom in over there at that slot and the clip over there. Okay. Again, I'm going to play this part of the clip in real time, so you'll see how it takes me a while to actually align the clips over there with the slots. There I'm pressing on it. That's not going to work. Put it out a little bit. Inside. Now push it in. Done. Let's put those plastic clips back in its place. And put those bolts back on and tighten them using the wrench. 3 clips, 3 bolts. Let's not forget to connect the electrical connector. And now let's go check it out. High beam, low beam.